I ended up doing a bunch of hinge cutting. We got this area here done. This is the east trail, east end of my property. So I wanted to thicken this up so that we could walk down this trail without the deer seeing us out on the fields. And it gives us a good cover. And it forces the deer to walk down our trails. Now, we also added a trail today from the east trail to the foot trail. Last time Pete and I were out here last month, you can see that thicket over there. That's another trail. That's 50 paces down. That was the one we did 3 weeks ago, Pete?
Yeah, something like that.
Now, today we made this trail. You can see we've got it nice and thick on this side still. And we're calling this the sitting tree trail because that's the sitting tree, big huge oak. This trail connects the east trail with my foot trail in the center of my land, and the foot trail connects to my bait pile field. You can see there is my bait pile field. And my tree stand is in the pine at the edge of the field. This summer I will go through with a brush hog and brush hog this trail through. And as you can see, there's the trail, foot trail I worked on last week and the week before. And there's the bait pile field. Yeehaw!